Keeping walls straight in carpentry is all about using blocking between studs to stop lumber from bowing or twisting as it dries, so your walls look clean and professional. Blocking works by bracing the middle of studs, which limits their movement and keeps everything aligned. When wood dries, it can warp or twist, but blocking acts like a little anchor that holds it steady. This is super important when you're putting up drywall or paneling because if the studs aren't straight, your finishes end up looking wavy or cracked. You want to space blocking regularly, usually every 16 to 24 inches, depending on your wall height and local building codes. It also helps resist pressure from nails and screws when you attach drywall, so the wall stays firm over time. Don't forget that blocking can help with soundproofing too by creating a more solid frame. Plus, it gives you spots to attach heavy things like cabinets or shelves without worrying about the wall bending. Just make sure you cut your blocking pieces square and fit them snugly for the best support. One of the biggest mistakes is skipping blocking altogether because it feels like extra work, but that just lets studs move and mess up your wall's straightness. Fix it by adding blocking at key points along the stud length to keep everything tight. Another common issue is using warped or twisted lumber for blocking, which doesn't do much good since it won't hold the studs straight. Always pick straight, dry wood for blocking pieces. Lastly, people sometimes space blocking too far apart, which reduces its effectiveness against warping. Follow recommended spacing guidelines to keep walls solid and aligned. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to do blocking and other carpentry tasks right. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with clients needing reliable home improvement work and grow their business.